Alright, got this ZF80 gear out of this Yanmar. Notice I can spin that gear real easy. Well, these clutch plates got to be broke. It only looks like 2 of them are spinning in there. Looks like just these 2 here. So those got to be broken a million pieces in there. It said it had 3 neutrals. This one looks like it works. I air checked them so the piston works. See how they spin in there? These don't. So we'll check her out. Press it apart. Alright, working on this ZF80 here. And look at the teeth. And 4 of these plates are completely gone almost. That one's about ready to go. But that would definitely be some neutrals. That's what they're supposed to look like. So we got 2 there is all it was holding it.